How to verify Worldcoin account without ORB. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. Unfortunately, as of today, verifying a Worldcoin account without visiting an ORB isn't possible. But here's a breakdown of the situation. Worldcoin verification. To receive a fully verified Worldcoin ID, visiting an ORB is currently a mandatory step. So here's what you can do. Download the Worldcoin app. Download and install the World app from the official sources on the Worldcoin website or through trusted app stores, depending on your region. Create a Worldcoin account and then explore ORB verification. If you'd like a fully verified World ID for future functionalities, you can find ORB locations through the World app. So yeah, you cannot verify Worldcoin account without ORB. If you like this video or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.